Krista here, and today I'm going to be reviewing these Body Store shower bombs. So these ones are the Calm. They're the Dreamy Lavender, and full disclosure, this was gifted to me by Body Restore in exchange for my honest opinion. So that's what I'm gonna give you guys today. So just right off the bat, I can smell through the packaging how strong this lavender is. It smells amazing. And so I'm actually about to go take a shower, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to show you just kind of what it looks like in the shower and then let you know my honest opinions after. All right, so I have just opened up the bag and this is what the shower bomb looks like. This package comes with 15 of them. So super simple to use. It just says place one tablet on shower floor away from heavy stream of water. So let's see what this tablet looks like. All right, so this is the size of it. It kind of has like a chalky texture and it smells really good. So let's see how it looks in the shower. All right, so since it says to keep it away from heavy stream of water, I'm just gonna stick it right there. Turn this on and turn this shower on. Now I'm gonna jump in here, so I will see you guys in a bit. All right, I just got out of the shower and that was an amazing experience, super relaxing. The bomb lasted about just under 10 minutes, about the same length as my shower. And one of the things that I also really liked is after I opened the door and went outside of the bathroom, the smell, the aroma kind of came with me and filled the upstairs of the house. I think these are great for anyone who's kind of looking for a more relaxing and elevated shower experience.